Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Poshmark. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in poshmark.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Poshmark website where you can log into your account by clicking on the login button at the top right corner. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the login portal where you will be asked to enter your username and your password. In case you forgot your password, simply click on the Forgot Password button underneath the sign in section. And now you will be asked to enter your username or your email address. Simply type it in and click on the Reset Password button and you will receive an email with a link that will allow you to reset your password. Once you click on this link, you will be allowed to set up a new password for your account. After setting up your new password, you can continue forth to the login screen and then use your new password along with your username or email address to continue logging into your account. And then you will gain access to your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Poshmark. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.